Our product roller veneer dryer for drying original wood veneer. Remove abundant humidity. In the end, the wood veneer humidity will be 5% to 10%, so it is suitable for making plywood. Veneer roller dryer are suitable for big drying capacity per day. It can be different length, width, and floors. For example, some our clients choose width 4,500 millimeters, length 32 meters, and 4 floors, and this big roller dryer can dry in 100 cubic meters per day. Our roller dryer uses very thick material for frame and doors, so its weight are heavy a lot. Use unique airflow and big fans to increase the production capacity, and use Siemens motor to make sure good quality and powerful energy, and even the very small parts like the bearings. We insist choosing the good quality, and its kinds of parts have their own models, so before loading, we will pack each of them and make marks. So, when roller dryer reaches your factory, it is easy for you to know what are they. Roller dryer includes many different parts, so the production technology and worker reach experience are important, and our factory with this advantage. Choosing our roller dryer, you can use many years with good performance. Welcome, contact us for more information. We will offer the suitable dryer for you according to your own conditions and requires. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine, 2 years warranty, professional technical team at your service anytime, and hope that build a good and long-time cooperation.